Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable or disable auto answer calls on Android. So here you can just open the phone settings, or you can also open the call log, and from here you can just on the top right corner of two dots settings, you have to click it. So here you can see is the auto answer. So here you can just open it, and I will already turn it on. So here you can just turn it on or off. The choice is yours. It's very easy to simple enable auto answer call on Android from the call log settings. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.